Hmm. So I see the tooth thing, it's swelled up bad. It's very swelled badly. क्या होता है? आई एम स्टिल द सेम गाय है क्या नहीं? हाँ. सो क्या बोलने का था रे मेरे को? हाँ. So congratulations, every woman have won. They were against men, and men from their house had no clue they were against them too, because they wanted to show them those were the trans hookers. Every woman have won because the men from their house were trans hookers. That's what the videos are. Hold on a second. I'll tell him. I'll ask him to do a put down the volume of the television. I have to make you explain. Hey Baba. Hey Baba, listen. थोड़ा आवाज कम करना. बाबा आवाज कम करना थोड़ा. हाँ, alright. So I have to make you explain. So women wanted to humiliate using men nudity and all this stuff, hidden camera and all this stuff. They want to humiliate them, men. So when I came to know that every prostitute were doing the message planting in my town, the prostitutes were doing it. So I have to go to their prostitution racket to expose their real act, that it's the clone which is doing this. But I didn't select those women from West. I went on to what you have to do a pig. So you always has to make sure that those are the trans. So you see those trans hookers and you fuck them. Same time those prostitutes make your nudes. Hmm? So it's exposed. The message planting is done by, what do you call it? Done by who? Prostitutes. Those are the prostitutes messaging themselves from a clone. Yeah. So that was the real case which I have to expose. And they have humiliated their men, because the men who are not the trans hookers will be also looked as trans hookers, because their wives are prostitutes. And they are going to do the blame shifting on men, that those are the prostitutes but the women are not. So at the end they won. They got their men in prostitution. So look, if the nude sex videos are made, in the prostitution racket, so those were the trans hookers who were the makers were the prostitutes from West, women prostitutes. So the trans hookers, they desperately want to show their men are the trans hookers. Now their men, their boyfriends, their husbands, their sons. So it was this thing against men. They have a anger against men. All your life you have treated them bad. That's why they wanted this revenge on you. So they have made you a trans hooker now. What I got to do? I don't know anyone. I just went into their prostitution racket, and who did payment from a clone to them? That's what it is. The clone which does message planting, bank transaction, and makes sex videos into their own prostitution racket. And don't trouble the redhead. Huh? They did a normal thing. I think I overdid myself by saying too much. So, but it was damn necessary. The way stuff happened, I felt bad. So I have to give away everything. Whatever is happening inside me, I have to give away everything. And what they did last night, that jerking off. How many? Twice. Once the a minute and second might within a minute and second might be how much? They must have counted. And third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Who will see that then? You have seen my fucks. You have to contact Monty now. I was in that monster zone. Monty has seen that monster zone. Zone. She has seen it. So, getting this part. For 1 year, I took a training to come out of this monster zone. समझे? Still, I met someone. Still, they were happy. I think I have to go back to my monster zone. है ना? Completely oiling and massage. So, so the thing is, you should speak to Monty. I met her in Monster Zone. You should speak with her. She will tell you her good thing. Monster mode. I was in that mode. So, anyways, let's not talk about Fox. Let's talk about something else. Don't be so hard on Red Hat. Don't do any hard weight to her. They did. I answered me myself. That's it. They did it in public. I dropped the details. That's it. This question is enough. That who is after me and who is after her. That's the final question. The world knows the answer. So, what I gotta do? What I gotta say? The women. So the women have won in humiliating the men from their house. All these years you must have treated them bad. That's why they are showing everyone that you are the trans hookers, you are the prostitutes, the men from their house. So, woman has won. So the people from the fake bank account, it's not the women who are doing the prostitution, but it were their men. So that's what they want to show now. तो पुलिस को तो वही करना पड़ेगा ना जो पुलिस को तो वही करना पड़ेगा ना अभी वो trust me, in time when police investigation is done and the fake bank account has been examined, who are those people, तो उनके वाइफ ही खुद वो प्रेजेंट करेंगे उनके कॉस्ट्यूम्स क्या वो विग मेकअप एंड लिपस्टिक एंड नकली बॉल वो क्या है वो नकली बॉल वो क्या है वो भी प्रेजेंट करेंगे वाला पुलिस का ड्यूटी इतना है पुलिस को सिर्फ वो दबा के देख मालूम तो पुलिस का ड्यूटी रहेगा पुलिस बोली कि मादर चौथ ये क्या केस में लटका हूँ। पुलिस बोले मादर चौथ ये क्या केस लाया है तू इधर। तो shit। तो पुलिस को उनके जो मैंने तो उनको दबा के देखना पड़ेगा कि वो ओरिजिनल है क्या, वो क्या बोलते हैं वो सिलिकॉन वाला। बॉलीवुड का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, अपन क्या कर सकते हैं। हो सो तो मैं उस पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन में उनके पर छोड़ देता हूँ। मैं क्या करने का मेरे को नहीं मालूम। ओवरऑल ढूंढेंगे मैं टूथ इज पेनिंग, बस मेरे को ज़्यादा कुछ मालूम नहीं। तो woman is won by proving that the men from their house are the trans hookers, whoever are in the fake bank account. I mean, so they have won. All these years they have treated them bad. That's why they did this to you.